Hello guys, so welcome to our channel Math Magic. So today's question is how to solve 10 to the power 20 divided by 20 to the power 10. So let's see, equals to 10 to the power 20 can be written as 10 to the power 10 plus 10 by 20 to the power 10 equals to. So there is a one formula that is a to the power m plus n equals to a to the power m into a to the power n. From this formula we can write that 10 to the power 10 into 10 to the power 10 divided by 20 to the power 10 equals to 10 to the power 10 divided by 20 to the power 10 into 10 to the power 10. So one more formula, that is a to the power m by b to the power m equals to a by b whole to the power m. So from this formula we can write that 10 by 20 whole to the power 10 into 10 to the power 10 equals to 10 by 20 becomes 1 by 2 whole to the power 10 into 10 to the power 10 as it is. There is one more formula, that is a to the power m b to the power m equals to ab whole to the power m. From this formula we can write that 1 by 2 into 10 whole to the power 10 equals to 1 by 2 into 10 becomes 5. So 5 to the power 10 equals to 5 to the power 10. This is the answer, guys. If you enjoy the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.